Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video, I kind of wanted to just share this with you guys because I bought this for my salon. I do nails, I do lashes, I do manicures, pedicures, stuff like that, and lashes is a big one for me. Because of having to move into the new salon and having to buy new furniture and things like that, I actually decided to go for a lash chair. I don't know if it was a good idea yet, we're gonna see, but it's a chair instead of a bed because I have a bigger area and I can actually take the lashes off to one side and it doesn't have to be in amongst where all my wax and stuff is done. So I thought, damn it, on this chair, because the lights that I normally use have brackets that you actually screw onto like the side of the table and things like that. There's no point in getting them again because I'll need it for my nail desk, but for the chair there's nowhere to screw it onto, so I'm gonna need one with a stand. And Glamcor is my favourite brand to use for lights. They've just got the best lights. I ordered it and this arrived. Look at this thing! Ow, my head! This is the Glamcor Elite X. Now, they do all sorts of ones for like social media and stuff like that because of course social media is such a massive big thing now. They've capitalised on it. And these things range from, I think this was about 186 all in. Now obviously because it's for work I can justify that. I would not be spending that on something that I was going to use for YouTube, I can tell you that much. But the fact that it's portable as well is really good because if I was going out on a makeup job then I could take this with me. If I knew that it was going to be really dreary weather and I knew that I wasn't going to have the light that I needed, then this would be really handy. But I mean, look inside this. So it's got a really nice carrier bag and it has a stand. That's what I really wanted, was I needed a stand. So I know that I can put it beside the chair and it's going to be really steady. It's not going to fall over on top of the person's head because that's the last thing you want to happen. The other one bugged me because the attachments on it weren't great. Like the thing to screw the light onto the mount was rubbish. It was really, really rubbish. And I was like, the amount of money I'm paying for this and this thing wobbles, really annoying. So here's the light itself. It actually comes with like nifty little covers on the lights. This one has the Eyelash Emporium on it for some reason. I got this from Salons Direct, so they must just have the ones in stock that are, okay, I just hit myself in the face with it, that are in collaboration with the Eyelash Emporium. I used to get mine through Nouveau Lashes, because they had a partner with them and that was who I used to use for my eyelashes brand, and I use Lash Us and they're not partnered with them so they don't sell their stuff, but obviously they do. I didn't order it from Glamcor themselves because I'm pretty sure they're an American company and I just didn't want to deal with the shipping or anything like that. So we're going to slice this off. I also only ever had single ones before, so having the double one is going to be quite cool. Okay, so that is it on. This does seem to, I'll turn it round so that you can see. It's got a good little knob here for tightening it. So it's a lot better than the other one was. The other one was just like a little circle, so you couldn't get any traction on it to really get it tight. And the little cord is in like a little pouch at the side as well, which is dead handy. Okay, so I'm gonna face it like towards me sort of thing, so you can get an idea, because there's obviously no point in me facing it towards you. So that's one, that's on two, and that's on its brightest. Wow, you can actually hear the LEDs. You know, that sort of weird screaming noise as they heat up. But that is it on, oh that's really bright, on the highest setting. I can't even look at it. Oh no wait, that's the highest setting. Oh my god, okay, it goes even brighter. And that's again, alright, okay. So that's it on its dimmest. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's intense. Look at it! Jeez, alright, and then to put it off you just press and hold it. Okay, now all I can see is little dots. So where my old ones had lots of dots, like the ones that are shining at me just now, I can't see a thing. It looks really dark on my screen now. These have teeny tiny LEDs. I don't know if you can see. On there. So you can see there's a lot more of them. They do feel a lot more sleek. It feels a lot nicer a design. It feels a lot sturdier. What else have we got in the bag? We have loads of other space in the bag to, you know, carry other things if you wanted to, if you needed to. It's got your little booklet. I'll put on the screen exactly how much it cost, but going by, I mean, like, I don't need to test it to use it and stuff like that. Going by what I see so far, they're actually a bit brighter than my old ones, and I really liked my old ones, so I know that I'm gonna really like this as well. I think if you're doing any sort of like eyelash extensions or anything like that, lash lifts, where you're in about people's eyes, they've got their eyes closed anyway, and these lights are, you know, out of your eye line, so they're not going to bother you that way, but you need to be able to see what you're doing. If you can't see what you're doing, then there's absolutely no point in doing what you're doing. These lights do it, but they don't, I don't know the word, they've got a really natural clean light. Obviously as well, you can get these sort of a multitude of places. If you are trained with a specific eyelash brand, sometimes they have affiliations with these guys, so you can actually get it through them as well, but you can get through Glamcor as well. And I know that when you're first on their website, they give you like 10%, 20% off or something like that, but like I said, it just wasn't going to make sense with the delivery costs as well, because it was the US. So yeah, I do really like this lamp. I'm glad that I got it. I definitely think that it's going to work better for me at my new lash station than my old ones would have, although I'm still going to need another one for my nail desk anyway. But yeah, that is pretty much it. That's all I have to say. I think it is definitely, I mean, they're expensive, but they last. My other ones I had for well over a year, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with them, so they are built to last. I had a cheap one for my nails, and I mean, it cost me like 20 quid or 30 quid or something like that, and it was, once I put the Glamcor one over the top, I was like, I can actually see what I'm doing now, because I live in Scotland, and 9 times out of 10 we don't have sun blaring in the windows that we can actually see what we're doing. It is dull. It can be like a whole day and you don't get any sunshine. So yeah, pretty much these are a must, especially if you're in a dreary country like I am. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Obviously, if you want to know where I got it, I'll link it down below. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.